Hello, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to fix Black Myth Wukong not launching. If you're experiencing issues with Black Myth Wukong not launching, here are some steps to help you resolve the problem. Solution number 1 is to restart your PC. Close any running applications and save your work. Restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, relaunch Black Myth Wukong and see if the issue is resolved. Solution number 2 is to try compatibility mode. Navigate to the Black Myth Wukong installation folder, right-click the game's executable file, select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode and select an earlier version of Windows like Windows 8. Click Apply and OK, then launch the game. Solution number 3 is to update System BIOS. Find out your motherboard model by opening System Information. Visit the motherboard manufacturer's website. Search for the latest BIOS update using your motherboard model. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to install the update. After updating, restart your PC and try launching Black Myth Wukong again. Solution number 4 is to verify integrity of game files. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Black Myth Wukong and select Properties. Click on the Local Files tab. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to check and replace any missing or corrupted files. After verification is complete, try launching the game. The final solution is to run game as an administrator. Right-click on the Black Myth Wukong executable file. Select Properties from the menu. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box next to Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK, then start the game. Hope this video helped. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.